Alright guys, so I'm just going to show you very quickly how to reset the maintenance light on the Honda Civic and the Acura CSX. So first, put the key in ignition and then put it on second one, which is on. And then after everything is finished, has finished blinking, and then press on the button select reset. Just press and hold it. Do not release the button. Wait until the oil life or the screen will be flashing. Okay, so once it's flashing, you release the button and then we repress again and hold it once again. Alright, so it has been reset. So now my oil life is 100%, and after it finished blinking, then you can release the button. So that's it guys. It was very quick. So this works for the Acura CSX, Honda Civics, Honda Accords, and Acura TL as well, and TSX. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.